What if your next Google search wasn't answered by Google, but by an AI bot that read the entire internet and responded directly without showing you a single website? Sounds futuristic? It's happening right now. ChatGPT, Perplexity, even Google itself. They're all changing the way we search, and it could kill traditional SEO, blogs, and even YouTube discovery as we know it. You're watching AI Got This, and today we're diving into how AI bots are replacing Google search, what this means for creators and users, and how you can stay ahead in this fast-changing digital world. Let's break it down. In early 2025, a quiet revolution began. OpenAI gave ChatGPT access to the live web. Perplexity AI and U.com followed, scanning multiple websites and summarizing answers instantly. Now, Google's own AI overviews are doing the same. Instead of showing 10 blue links, you get one big AI-generated answer, often useful, sometimes hilariously wrong, but always instant. This is called Retrieval Augmented Generation, or RAG. It's how AI bots search and read the internet, on your behalf. This sounds convenient, right? But here's the problem. AI tools are starting to steal attention without giving credit. According to 2025 data, AI bot traffic grew by 49% in just Q1 of this year. That's more than most human browsing. But bots don't click, they don't subscribe, they don't buy. They scrape your content, summarize it, and give it to someone else without you ever knowing. If you rely on SEO, Google traffic, or content marketing, this is a massive shift. So, is Google dying? Not exactly, but the way people use Google is changing fast. AI answers now appear at the top of search results, pushing real creators further down the page. Clicks are dropping, bounce rates are climbing, and users are getting used to never leaving the search page. Even worse, Google is training its AI using your content, often without asking. Bloggers, educators, YouTubers, journalists, they're all asking the same question. If no one visits my site anymore, how do I survive? This isn't just an SEO issue, it's a creator survival issue. Because if AI tools become the gatekeepers between you and your audience, they get to decide what to show, what to hide, and what to rewrite. Bloggers could lose traffic, YouTubers could lose visibility, brands could lose leads, educators could lose their reach. This could be the start of the zero-click era, where AI answers everything, and no one ever clicks through. But here's the good news. You can still win if you adapt. First, write for AI. Structure your content clearly. Use summaries, bullet points, and short sentences. Second, double down on video and voice. AI can summarize words, but it can't replicate your tone, emotion, or personality. Third, build a brand. AI can't steal your story, your identity, your connection to the audience. Fourth, create what AI can't. Experiences, community, trust. So what's the takeaway? AI bots are here, and yes, they're changing the internet. But no, this isn't the end. It's a shift from clicks to trust, from SEO to storytelling, from chasing traffic to building loyalty. So no, you shouldn't panic. But yes, you should get smart. Subscribe to AI Got This for weekly insights on how to master AI, adapt fast, and grow in the age of artificial intelligence. The internet isn't dying, it's evolving. And those who evolve with it win.